Hello all. In this lecture, we will learn how to make a scheduler job to take backup of our databases and place it into the folder we specify. So it is an important thing that you may need to perform, and we don't want daily to take backup manually, and we want this task to for SQL Server to do on our behalf. So first of all, I have opened this SQL Server and I am connecting it to server. After connecting, you have to check one thing: this SQL Server agent must be present in your SQL Server. So if this is part of your SQL Server, then you will be able to perform this scheduler job. So to create this scheduler job, you have to expand this management pane, and in the management pane click on this maintenance plans. So we have no maintenance plans made yet, but we will be creating our first maintenance plan in a moment after. So click on maintenance plan wizard, click on next. Here give a name, take db backup. Here you can give the description if you want to, and here there's a button. It's not showing fully because there's some resolution issue, but you can click on this button and it will show another pop-up in which you can configure some important things. So the main thing we want to configure here is the frequency of taking backup. So we can set it to monthly, weekly, or daily. If we set it to monthly, we can define on which day it should take backup, and on that day which time it should take backup. So I am not selecting weekly, I am selecting daily, that I daily want backup, and on what time I want that backup. I want that backup at 11 a.m. and if you want that task to be repeat after every single or every single minute or second, you can do that also, but I am okay with one backup per day. So after selecting this option, you can select OK, click on next. Here there are a couple of options in from which you can select your option according to your need. I am gonna select this option, backup full database, because I am going to take I want to take full database backup. So after selecting this, I am clicking on next. Click on next. Here there are a couple of things that you need to set. So first of all, here if you expand this drop down, and let me expand this, you will find here you can select all the databases or databases that you want to select. So if I want to select only these two databases, I can select these two, or if I only want the last one or this one, I can do that also. So I am going to select only the last one, and I am okay with that. So I will click on OK. Then go to this second tab, and here you have to specify the path of the data or path where you want that backup to be gone. So click on this three dots, and here I will select this D drive and click on OK. But it's recommended to make a separate folder for that, but I am not making that right now. So you can click on next, but before doing that, go to options tab, and here there is another important thing that you might want to set, this option backup set. Here what is written, I can read it for you. This is written that backup set will expire. So this parameter can be set according to your need. So if you want that after 5 days, on the 6th day, the first backup for which the 5 days have been completed should be deleted automatically from the folder. So this is the thing that you need to set here. So what is the advantage of doing that? If you set this after, only it will only maintain 5 active backups or 5 recent backups of your database. The 6th one will automatically get deleted on the 6th day. So it's very important, it will the option, so that your database is not overloaded, your folder, your hard disk is not full with the same redundant data. So you can set this option accordingly, and then you can click on next. Here it is asking for the log file. It is asking that whether you want to create a log file. If yes, then you can go with the default path, or you can select your own path where you want this log file to be gone. But I don't want this log file, so I will uncheck this and click on next, click on finish. It will take a while and the process will be completed. So it's completed, and here you can see it is showing you the job that I just made. And another thing that I wanted to show you is that when you expand this SQL Server Agent and click on jobs, you will find this job here. So basically this SQL Server Agent is the thing that will be doing this for you. So here you can click on right click, and here you can manually execute this task if you want to, and you will see your backup will be placed there. So if I open this, and so here there is no backup currently here, and if I go back here and I click on execute, I'm just showing you by executing this job manually, but you don't need to do this manually. It will automatically do this for you every day on 11 a.m. the time that we set. So here is the backup that our scheduler job placed in the folder that we told him to do so. So that's all for today's lecture. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you. Bye bye.